Are you planning a trip to Spain and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Spain in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you're interested. Links are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. The eSIM provider I recommend for Spain is Maya Mobile. They offer excellent value, especially if you're looking for more data or faster speed. For short stays, you can get 3GB for $7.19. 5GB for $8.99 or 10GB for $13.49, all valid for 10 days. If you're someone who streams a lot or just doesn't want to worry about limits, there's also a 20GB plan for $18.89, 40GB for $29.69, or even an unlimited plan for just $26.99. All of these are 5G enabled and activate instantly. Maya is perfect if you want a fast setup, strong coverage, and a quick way to get online without needing an app. Now, if you've already tried Maya or are just looking for an alternative with a good app experience, then I recommend Airalo. For Spain, they offer 1GB for $4.50, valid for 7 days, 2GB for $6.50, and 3GB for $8.50. If you need more data, there's 5GB for $11.50, 10GB for $18, 15GB for $26, and 20GB for $35. They are all valid for 30 days. The Airalo app is super beginner friendly. Once you pick your plan and complete the purchase, you get a QR code instantly. Just scan it and your eSIM is ready to go. The app also lets you top up your data at any time, which is really convenient. Now, let me quickly explain how to claim your discount and set everything up. If you're going with Maya Mobile, click the link in the description. It will take you to their homepage. Just search for Spain, select your preferred data plan and proceed to checkout. You'll see the 10% discount automatically applied before payment. After purchase, you'll receive a QR code instantly. Just scan it with your phone's camera and your eSIM will be active in seconds. If you choose Airalo, the process is even more app-based. Click the link below, download the Airalo app, search for Spain and pick your plan. At checkout, the 10% discount is applied automatically as long as you're using the link in the description. Once paid, you'll get a QR code instantly and you could be online in minutes. So, which one should you go with? If you're staying for around 10 days and want fast activation with better high data pricing, Maya Mobile is the better deal. But if you prefer something app-based with more flexible top-up options, Airalo is a solid choice. Both links are in the description with the discounts already applied. Pick the one that suits your trip best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected in Spain in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.